Hola, ¿cómo están? Hoy vamos a ver la telehistoria y completarla. We're going to complete our telestory. Okay, so as we did before, we meet again our friends Alicia and her friends, and we are going to utilize the verb ser y gustar. Remember, ser is to be and gustar is to like. Okay, so let's watch the video first, and then we'll go back and analyze word by word what is happening here between in escena 3, in scene 3. Ready? Here we go.
¿Qué les gusta hacer? ¿Les gusta jugar al fútbol?
Sí, me gusta jugar al fútbol o correr, pero a ella no le gusta practicar deportes.
¿Te gusta comprar libros?
Sí, me gusta comprar libros, pero a él no le gusta leer.
Me gusta mirar la televisión.
No me gusta mirar la televisión, me gusta más tocar la guitarra o escuchar música.
Me gusta comer.
Sí, me gusta comer.
Nos gusta comer. ¿Qué les gusta comer? ¿Pizza? ¿Les gusta comer helado? ¿Fruta? ¿Beber jugos?
¿Y Trini Salgado les gusta?
¿Trini Salgado? ¿En San Antonio? ¡Sandra!
Muy bien. Okay, let's analyze what went on in this conversation, okay, between Alicia, Miguel, y Teresa. Okay, so let's go word by word. ¿Qué les gusta hacer? ¿Qué les gusta hacer? The question, what do you guys like to do? Okay, less. Notice that it has less because they like it, right? Miguel says, me gusta mirar la televisión. I like to watch television. Teresa says, no me gusta mirar la televisión. She doesn't like to watch television. Me gusta más tocar la guitarra o escuchar música. Me gusta más. I like to play guitar more. Or escuchar música. Listen to music. Miguel says, me gusta comer. I like to eat, comer. Notice there's two verbs here, gusta, and the second verb. What is the rule in Spanish when you have two verbs in one? That's correct. The second one, you don't do anything to it. You leave it in its original infinitive form. Teresa says then, sí me gusta comer. Sí me gusta comer. Yes, I like to eat. Nos gusta comer. So Alicia says nos gusta, which means we like to eat. They stand up and they try to go eat, but Alicia asks, ¿qué les gusta comer? What do you guys like to eat? Les refers to them, a group of people that they like to do. What they like to do. ¿Qué les gusta comer? What do you like to eat? I'm sorry. Pizza. ¿Les gusta comer el helado? Fruta o beber jugos? Do you guys like to eat ice cream or fruit or juices? They both said no. And Alicia says, Trini Salgado in San Antonio. Trini Salgado is a famous artist. Antonio says, Sandra. So that's what the conversation went on. Now, what we are going to do, we're going to take this information from here, and then we're going to go to the next page, which is page 46. and we're going to complete activity 17, 18, and 19. Okay, now in this, what you have to do in page 17, you simply have to write the names accordingly to the descriptions, okay, based on the information that we just gathered. For example, no le gusta andar en patineta. No le gusta andar en patineta. If you need to listen to it, you can listen to it again. Es de Honduras. Who's from Honduras? Okay. Les gusta comer. Es de la Florida. So you have to select which one of these kids that you have here. Either is Alicia or either is the other two kids that are part of this. Okay, so what you have to do is write their names. Okay, so either is Alicia, Miguel, or Teresa. One of the two, one of the three. Okay, so that's what you, based on this information, you are going to complete these activities, activity 17 and activity 18. Okay, now in this activity 18, you need to listen again, and based on the episodes that we watch, you're going to answer the questions. For example, ¿cómo se llama? ¿Qué le gusta hacer? ¿Qué no le gusta hacer? What's her name? What does she like to do? What doesn't she like to do? So what I suggest you to do is to answer by using some of the words from the question. For example, ¿cómo se llama? You can answer, se llama Teresa, o se llama Alicia, o se llama Miguel. ¿Qué le gusta hacer? Le gusta, and whatever it is that she likes to do. Okay? What doesn't she like to do? ¿Qué no le gusta hacer? So you take no le gusta and whatever she is that she doesn't like to do. And then you do the same thing for this, each one of these two right here. Okay? Now, in this activity, activity 19, okay, so activity 19 right here, what we're going to do is we are going to practice a little bit of speaking, okay? So what we are doing here, we're going to talk with each group. So Zoomers, you guys are going to be talking to us, to the ones here in the classroom, and you're going to come out with your own things that you guys like to do, things that you don't like to do, where you from. Okay, so something like this. Hola, me llamo Víctor, soy de Chicago. Me gusta escuchar música y correr. Okay, then another person will say, hola, me llamo Carolina y soy de Chicago también. Soy de Palm Bay también. También means also. No me gusta escuchar música. I don't like to listen to music. Pero me gusta practicar deportes. But I like to practice sports. So, in activity 19, what you're going to do, you're going to click on the question and you are going to record it. Okay, you're going to record your voice. I'm going to be looking forward for you to do that. Okay, so here is a little example of what you're going to do. Obviously, you're going to change this to your own name and express where you're from, what you like to do, and what you don't like to do. Okay, that's what I would like you to do. Record it, and that will be the activities for today, and then we'll use some of the same activities in class to talk with each other. Okay, bueno, muy bien, hablamos pronto. We'll talk soon. Adiós.